Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be learning how to draw involute of a circle. So the question given is somewhat like this. Here. So we have to draw an involute for one complete unwinding of, first let us take one complete unwinding, and later on I'll take up winding of a 50 centimeter string on a circle. Radius of this circle is 20 mm, and we have to also draw tangents and normals to this curve at 100 mm from its center. Fine. So let us go ahead. First we have to draw the circle. On the left you can see the completed diagram that is just kept for your reference. On the right side we will draw this diagram from beginning. So we'll have to take a circle of the required diameter. Radius has been given as 20. So I'll just take a circle with radius 20. Then I'll have to calculate. I'll have to do calculation of the circumference. The circumference is 2 into radius into pi. So that gives us 125.66. Fine. So I'll take a line of length 125.66. Fine. So this line is of length equal to circumference, and this circle is of radius 20. Now I'll just create a line here, and then what I'll do, I'll divide this into 12 parts. 12 parts. Okay. If you want, you can just give DDP type command and reduce the size of this to 2 or something. Absolute. Okay. So the points are now smaller. So after doing this, what I have to do is I have to create an array. Fine. So I have to select all these lines, this horizontal line along with all the points and this vertical line, and I will create array. Array command is AR. I need a polar array, and the point of reference is the center point of circle. Click on it. So as you can see, I'm getting 6 copies of these lines. I don't want 6, I want a total of 12 lines, because I divided here into 12 parts. I need 12 parts there as well. So I need to change the items. So click on items and choose 12. That will give us 12 copies of the lines. After doing this, what I have to do is I'll just explode this. Right now you can see they are a part of array, and array can be edited. You can change the angle, you can change the number of items and all other stuff. I don't want to do that. I just want to explode it. When you explode this array, you will get individual entities. So now what you have to do is you have to start from the inner side, and one by one we have to keep on increasing the number of points. So let us see how to draw this. Fine. So I'll take spline SPL, and then starting at this point I'll take to the first, next to the second, next here to the third, next here to the fourth, and so on. Okay. So you have to take fifth here, then here you have to take sixth, here you have to take seventh. Okay, this is seventh. Then here you have to take 8th, then here you have to take 9th, 9th is here, 10th, 11th, and the last. Press enter. This way, by slowly increasing one value at a time, you will get this spline. So in order to make it appear good, what additional thing you can do is you have to give spline edit command, and here you have to take fit data, and the fit data give for tangents. The tangents, the first tangent is going to be here. Fine. So you can see the tangent is changing. I'll just remove this. The tangent is changing. So this should come tangential here, and the other end, this should start vertically. So I'll take polar and vertically downwards. So this will improve the way the curve looks like. Now the curve looks much more smooth and much more genuine. Fine. So this is how we draw the involute. After drawing the involute, of course, you can just go on to delete all these extra points. Observe one thing, that I'm using blue rectangle for selecting the points. blue rectangles will select only the objects which are completely inside. So carefully draw these in such a way that only the points are inside. Once you have deleted all of them, you'll have to select this and trim command, TR enter, and remove whatever extra lines are there on the other side. Okay. This is it. So this is the new Involute for one complete unwinding. Fine. Naming of the curve we can do the same way but that I have done here. Okay. So you can start with P1, P2, P3, P4 and all. So to create this text, what you can do is very simple. You can give DT command, click somewhere, give the height is 5 mm and angle is 0, and you can type capital P. After that, you can just create a copy of this by Control C, Control V, and then you can reduce the size of this by scale command, make it half, and then this you can convert it to a number. Once you have done that, you can make additional copies by Control C and Control V. Okay, as many copies as you want, and you can go on changing the numbers. Fine. So this is how you can create the points, all these points, the same way you can create. And of course, you can apply the line weight later as you wish. So this is how we create the involute of a circle for one complete unwinding. In the next video, we will continue the same figure and we will take up a case wherein a length is given. Thank you for watching our video. Hit a like button if you like our video. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell button if you want to stay updated about all our future videos. Thank you once again.